guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an Ajio haul. So lately I shopped for a lot of clothing items, mainly Indian clothes of Ajio, and the best part is that most of these things I got either below or around rupees 500, so they are very inexpensive as well. And I just want to mention that I won't be trying on all of these clothes, but I am going to be inserting pictures of these clothes on models from Ajio's website so that you know how the clothing pieces look when they are worn. But what I'm going to be doing instead is that I'm going to be reviewing each of these clothing items in terms of quality, material, pricing, the tiny details of the clothing pieces, etc. And I'm going to be showing all of the details of these clothing pieces on camera so that you can see if the items are worth it or not. So it's more like a review video than a try on haul. So with all that being said, let me just quickly show you all of the things that I got from Ajio. So the first top that I got is this pink bandhani print Indo-Western top. I love how the pink color is so vibrant. I love the bandhani print that's going on, and it's got some buttons over here in the front. However, the quality of the buttons isn't that great, and it's got this tiny little pom-pom tying thing like in the middle on the waist, so that's like very cute. The pom-poms are multicolored, and I got this top for 399 rupees. The length of this is medium. It's neither too long, it's neither too short. It's more like a short kurti, I would call it. And I just love how vibrant the color is. I already wore this like 2 or 3 times. I put it for a wash in the washing machine and the quality of the buttons started to deteriorate, so I'm gonna get the buttons replaced. I'll get better quality fancy buttons for this top because I really love the color. I really love how it looks in general, and the material is like really soft. It sits on your body very comfortably, and it's 100% cotton. The second top that I got is this lime green or lime yellow neon top. It's got all of this checkered print, and as you can see it's got a choker style neck pattern, and at the back it's got this invisible zip. Now this top also I got for 399 rupees. It's cotton, it's very comfortable on the body, but it is a little bit sheer, so you have to wear an inner inside it. The next item that I got is this very beautiful flared kurti. So it's got this print going on at the front, and the same print you will find on the sleeve as well. The sleeve is also flared, and you've got to tie it up like at the front. It's got this very beautiful white tassel hanging, and below the waist it's got this very flared sort of a pattern, so it's a very flared top. On the website it showed that it's in a red color, but when I received it, it's more on the pink side, so there is a color difference. This one I got for 510 rupees, and the material is cotton. It is comfortable to wear. The next item that I got is this yellow color kurti, and this one I got for 440 rupees. This is how the print looks like, and it's got these very pretty buttons with tassels, so that looks very pretty. The sleeves also has this tie-up detailing, so you can adjust the sleeves, and the material of this is 100% cotton, and it's very comfortable on the body. It's body hugging. It's the most comfortable top out of the entire lot, and I just love how bright and yellow this top is. It's more like a summer top, so I'll be wearing it probably during the summer time. The last kurti style top that I have is this one. It's got sort of a chevron print going on, and this one I got for 580 rupees. This is how the print looks like up close, and it's got bell sleeves, and when you move down like below the waist it's flared, so it's sort of like a peplum top, and it's got this zari type of detailing over here. I don't know if the camera is catching it or not. This again is cotton. It retails for 580 rupees, and it's very comfortable to wear. Now before I move on to the long kurtis, I'm just going to show you like 2 tops that I got. So this is the first one. It's a t-shirt. It's a plain tan color t-shirt, and it's got this detailing going on the arms. There's nothing too fancy about it. It's plain, it's basic, but I just love the tie up details on the arms. Now this one I got somewhere around 300 rupees. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna leave all of the links of all of the products in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. The material of this is cotton. The last top that I got is actually a shirt, and it's of satin material. It's a very pretty mehndi green color, and it's got this tie up detailing on the front and also a few buttons just for show. There's nothing too fancy about the shirt. It's very basic. It's something that you can wear to meetings. It's formal but it's classy at the same time, and it also has these buttons over here. Now this one I got somewhere around like 600 rupees or something. But the only thing that I don't like about this shirt is that you have to like iron it really well, and in spite of ironing it well, it's still gonna get like creased. So yeah, that's one thing that I don't like about this material in general. Now let me just show you all of the kurtis that I got. So this is the first one. It's a long kurti, and I got this one for 700 rupees. It's a printed kurti, and this is how the print looks like. It's got this print all over, and the buttons again are pretty basic. So it's a very basic kurti, but the color looks extremely flattering on me. And under this I wear these bottoms. So I got these from Ajio as well, and this is how they look like. These are plain white bottoms, and it's got this I don't know what you call chicken detailing on the bottom. This is how it looks like. So it's got that up to the calf area, and it looks very beautiful. The kurti covers my legs up to the calf area, and then there's this chicken detailing, so it looks very beautiful under the kurti. And this one I got for 800 rupees, and the material of this is so soft, you won't feel like you're wearing anything as your bottoms. And the best part is that it's so comfortable because it's got this half elastic. So there's this elastic thing at the back which makes it very comfortable. I don't like that nada wale bottoms. I think they are very uncomfortable, but something like this is like so comfortable. The next bottoms that I bought are these. So this is how the print looks like up close. Again, the material is so soft, and it's got this elastic at the back. So these are more like parallels. This is how the flare is. It's more like straight fit parallels, and these I got for 550 rupees. And above this I like to wear this kurti. So this is the one that I wear above the pants that I just showed you, and this is again of cotton material, and the white thing that you see is khadi material. So this is how the print looks like up close, and it's got this tassel detailing as well, and the entire thing is plain from the bottom. So this has side cuts. Even the red one had side cuts. So this one I got for 420 rupees, which is so inexpensive for a kurti like this. And the last piece that I got from Ajio are these track pants. So they are black in color, and then they have this neon detailing like all over, and these are track pants. These are not joggers. They are like straight from the bottom. They have this elastic thing going on, and they also have this nada over here, which is also of neon color, which I absolutely love. So this one I got for around 400 rupees or something, which is very inexpensive. And yeah, it's really comfortable to wear, but I don't know how long lasting this would be because it's so inexpensive. But I'm gonna use it until it's good. If you shop from Ajio's website or from their app, you're gonna get amazing discounts. They always have like 60 to 80% off going on. So yeah, their discounts are so good. Their products are already priced at very reasonable prices, and then you get discounts as well. So it's sort of a steal deal if you shop from Ajio. It's one of the most inexpensive websites to shop for clothing items in India. So I highly recommend you check out Ajio. And if you want to shop for any of the products that I showed you in this video, then I'm gonna leave all of the links in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And also, if you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below which clothing item was your favorite out of all of the things that I showed you today. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.